Hello all and welcome to the 7th StarGateVR tutorial. I hope. In this video we're going to cover how to save and reload gates, and I guess data as a whole. So what I've done is I've created 3 gates. I hope you're able to see them. There's an orange one and 2 different colored blue ones around the 3 open clusters in this dataset. And we're going to suppose that we want to delete all of them and then click a button and have them all back. And you can see over here on the wall, hopefully, there's the 3 gates. They each have about 500 stars in them. I gated them in velocity space. We're going to save them in XYZ space. Doesn't matter too much, but that's the gist of it. So on your control panel, there's a button. There's actually 4 buttons up top that say reload star data, save gates, save gated data, load gates. What these do, in essence, is that the first one, reload star data, will reset your sphere of stars if they've moved or shifted or anything has happened to them. You can click that and they'll all go back to the way they were when you loaded it. The save gates button is the one that we're interested in. That's the button that's going to save all of these gates right where they are so that we know how to reload them, and so when we delete them all, we can get them right back exactly as they were. The Save Gated Data button is the one that's going to actually save all the data in these gates to a CSV file for further analysis off of the headset. And the Load Gates button is the one that's going to bring back those saved gates for us. So, I'm going to turn off all of the stars. I'm going to try to anyways. Right, there you go. So you can see there's our 3 gates, there's 3 overdensities. Each of them corresponds to what you hope is an open cluster. There's obviously a lot of interlopers there. Doesn't matter too much. In UVW space, we can see they're much more distinct because that's where I set the gates originally. I'm going to click on the Save Gates button. You should hear an audible beep when that occurs. That signals that the process has worked. So now I'm going to go up to the wall and I will delete by clicking the delete button twice for each of them. All 3 of those gates. So now we have no more gates. I can turn on all the stars. You see, they're the densities, but there's no gates to them. If I hit load gates, they've all returned, and you can see the star counts should be the same. There are occasions, like in collaborative mode, where this will cause some funkiness, but in general, if you're using this solo, you should have a pretty good experience deleting, saving, reloading gates, whatever. That's it for this video. In the next video, I think I'll cover how you actually save data off the headset and the kind of intricacies of that. I will see you then. Take care.